Hello friends, welcome back my channel again. This video I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung keyboard not working on your phone. So let's get started. First thing first, unlock your phone, open settings. Go all the way to the very bottom, go to app section. Here you can see all of the apps listed there. Simply use the search bar at the very top. Here search for Samsung keyboard. Once you search for exact name, find the Samsung keyboard appear at the very top, tap to open the page. Then scroll through the page, go to storage. You can see two buttons. Tap on both buttons one by one to clear the option. After the is cleared, go back previous screen, scroll through the page, open permission. And you can see various options appear there. Make sure to this important option is turn on. After that, go back to the main settings page your phone, then go to general management. Here tap on keyboard, click on default keyboard and make sure your Samsung keyboard is selected. After it's selected, you can check it work or not. For example, I am open this search bar section, my keyboard is here and this time it work. However, if your phone don't work, don't worry. You can update your phone to the latest version. To do that, scroll through the settings page, go to software update. After that, click on check for update and make sure to your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then tap on check for update and wait to complete the checking process. If you find any update option appear your Samsung phone, simply follow the on-screen instruction to update your phone to the latest One UI version, and this time it work properly. However, if it also not work, you can lastly restart your phone. To do that, long press the power and volume down button on your device, then select restart, tap on restart again and wait to completely back on your phone. After your phone back on, you can check your keyboard work or not. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. Like this video.